In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix invalid account errors in MetaTrader 5. An invalid account message almost always means something small but critical isn't matching. Start by double-checking the three essentials: your login number, your password, and the exact server name your broker assigned. One misplaced character or an extra space can block access. Passwords are case sensitive, and some brokers use numbers that can look like letters, so take a moment to verify each field carefully. If you copy and paste, make sure you're not adding hidden spaces at the beginning or end. Next, re-enter your details directly in MetaTrader 5. Open MT5, click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. In the window that appears, type your login ID, your password, and select or enter your broker's server. Click OK to submit. If it still fails, don't assume the account is broken. This usually points back to a typo or the wrong server. Now confirm the server is correct. Many brokers run several servers, such as Live and Demo, or names like MT501 and MT502. Using a demo server for a live account or vice versa will trigger the error. Check your broker's welcome email or client portal for the precise server name and match it exactly in MT5. If you see multiple similar options in the list, choose the one that's an exact match. Check your internet connection as well. In the bottom right corner of MT5, you'll see green and red bars that show connection status. If it says no connection, the platform can't reach the servers. Switch to a more stable network if you can, and consider temporarily disabling a VPN or strict firewall settings that might block MT5. If you're unsure about the password, reset it. Use your broker's official client portal or app to create a new password, then return to MT5 and log in again with the updated credentials. Remember, passwords are case sensitive and often require specific characters. Make sure the account itself is active. Some brokers disable accounts after inactivity, expire demo accounts after a set period, or suspend access temporarily. If that might be the case, contact your broker to reactivate or extend the account, or create a fresh demo if needed. Also confirm you're using the right platform. MT4 accounts generally do not work on MT5. If you have an MT5 account, use MetaTrader 5. If your credentials are for MT4, install and use MetaTrader 4 or request an MT5 account. Finally, restart MetaTrader 5. Close the platform completely and reopen it after you've corrected your details. A quick refresh often completes the connection, and you should see stable green bars and your account appear in the navigator when you're successfully logged in.